Hello, this is Ashley from Crafting with Ashley and welcome to this video. It's that time of year again, the launch of our autumn winter catalogue, and this is it. So this launches today. This video is going out on the 4th of September, so that's the date of the launch, and this is the new catalogue. If you haven't seen it, I did do a whole video showing you all the pre-order goodies I got from this at the beginning of August, so I'll have a link to that, so please do check this out. If you want a copy of this catalogue, then drop me a message either here on YouTube or just click over to my website and click on the button that says contact me and request one, and I'll get one out to you ASAP. So this is the catalogue, and eventually I can show you the internal pages, so I'm just going to do that quickly now. So these are all our bundles. This is the first suite called Toil and Tidings. You can see some lovely stamp sets here, and this is the one we're actually going to use today. Let me bring you more into shop. That's the one we're going to use today. They've got these lovely stars, and you can see here trees, and this wrapped in plaid. We're going to use this paper today as well. We've got some new metallic inks, and I love this one, Itty Bitty Christmas, all these different sayings, and some bells, and Let It Snow, which is very weird because when I'm filming this it's a bank holiday weekend, and it's 30 degrees outside. So there you go, that's snowman. But I mean, it's never too early to get excited about Christmas, and if you're a crafter, as you will know yourself, most of us crafters start already in July, August preparing for Christmas, because it takes time to make all those wonderful Christmas cards, tags and packaging, you know, home decor and everything, so you have to start early. So this is the night before Christmas suite, and you've got Santa Claus, and you've got a die, and you've got these moose here, and you've got some religious stamps as well, and you've got the Brightly Gleaming, which has got some ornaments, and you've got some foiled elements, a lot of foiled elements to the paper. So a Cup of Christmas, we see little candy canes, we've got some new masks, stencils, and I love this one here, which is the Countdown to Christmas, and these are all little drawers here to use as an advent calendar, so you can use this time and time again every year, which is just wonderful, you know. So there you see it again, and this is the kit, and I'm going to be doing a class with this here in Lincoln. And I'll also show you it when we get to the point online. Here's another kit. This is the Most Wonderful Time product medley, and you also have this kit here, which is some tags, which are always useful. You've got some shimmery crystal effects. You've got some snow globes with the snow globe shaker dome, so you can make a shaker snow globe. You've got ice skates, and here you've got autumn, or as Americans call it, fall. And you've got paper, and you've got some pumpkins and leaves, as you can see here, and you've got new punch. This is an apple builder punch, but as you can see, it can also be used for a pumpkin as well. And we've got this lovely stamps here, Birds of a Feather. I think these lot are just so cute. And if you're into Halloween, I'm not. I'll tell you now, me and Halloween are not friends. When I was a kid, Halloween was always for the American kids. It wasn't something we did, so it's never something that I've ever done. But if Halloween's your thing, great. And there's some lovely things here with new embossing folders, and these little coffin-shaped treat boxes and some enamel dots, and some lovely paper. We've got, this is nice, it's got some black dimensionals, which is always useful, and tags, and some little monsters, and you've got some New Year's stamps, and these are our hostess stamps. These are ones that if you spend more than £150 either on your own or through a party, you get some hostess pounds, and you can use those to spend on these, anything in the catalogue, or also on these specific stamp sets here. And then this is one of my favourites here, Nature's Beauty. So that's just a quick run through of the new catalogue. As I said, if you want a copy, then contact me and I'll get one out to you straight away. Okay, so let's get started on the project for today. It is a Christmas project. It's this little Christmas card here. Isn't it cute? And as I said, I know it's 30 degrees in Lincoln, but there's a lot of people who start their cards early because, you know, if you're doing cards like this takes a little bit of time to do, and, you know, you need the time to get it done before Christmas. So let's get started. Supplies you're going to need. You need a thick Whisper White card base. That's an A6 card base, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And I've used this paper here, which is the wrapped in plaid paper, and this is 14.35 centimetres by 10 centimetres. And I've used a different one to the one I used on the back here because I wanted just to change it up a bit. And as you can see, all of this paper has, as you can see there, these foil elements, so you could equally have it on that side as well. Okay, so let's get started. Put that aside. I'm going to bring in my stamp set. This is the stamp set we're going to use, called Christmas Crowd, and it's this big stamp we're going to use, and this is all in one. And I've got it already set up in my Stamparatus here, so let's just ink it up in Memento ink because we are going to colour it in with the blends, I should say. So I wanted it in the Stamparatus so I could stamp it more than once to get a really deep black outline. Okay, stamp it again. Yeah, that's lovely. So take that out of there, close that up, set that aside, bring that in here. Okay, and I'm going to be using a variety of colours to colour this in, so I'm just going to zoom you in so you can see a bit better. So I'm going to put your fast forward through the colouring, but you don't need to see that real time. But I'll tell you the colours I'm going to use. I'm going to be using the Real Red Light and Dark. I should show you one here, it'll be easier. I'm going to use Real Red Light and Dark here. The green is all Shaded Spruce, Light and Dark. Okay, the faces here are the ivory colour. The yellow bits on the baubles and his hair and stuff are Mango Melody. For the beak and stuff of the and feet of the little penguin, I've used Pumpkin Pie. For Rudolph here, I've used the Light and Dark Crumb Cake, and for the bear, I've decided to use the Light and Dark Soft Suede. So those are the colours I've used everywhere, and here again, this one is the Crumb Cake again. So you can see those are the colours I've used. So I'm going to put you on fast forward and start colouring. Okay, all the colouring is done. It does take a little while. That's why I said, you know, it's good to start early to make cards like this, because they are quite involved, and you know, you want to give time. And personally, I love colouring, and I find it extremely therapeutic and enjoyable. I could just spend hours colouring in, so it's great. So now we're going to just stick that piece onto our designer series paper, which is going to go onto our card. So let's get all of this done then. Stuck down. Let's put this first actually onto our card. So try and get an equal border if possible, all the way around. Yeah, it'll do. And then I'm going to put snail on the back of our coloured image, and I just prefer to do it like this. Opening the card up, I find I can see better what I'm doing, supposedly. Yeah, there we go. And now, finishing touches, I'm going to be using these new rhinestones. These are called holiday rhinestones, and they come in the catalogue that I showed you at the beginning of the film. I'm going to be using these little green ones here. I'm just going to put a line of 3. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the card we made before. I'm just going to try and zoom you out a bit again. That's the card we made just now. That's the one we made before. Really nice cards. I love these cards. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give the video a thumbs up so YouTube know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to future videos. And if you want any information, supply list, etc. about this project, it'll be on the blog post that goes with this video on my website, and all the links are below. I've also started a Facebook group called All Things Crafty, Crafting with Ushi, and it's a place for us to share all our projects and ask questions. So please do join that if you'd like. As I said, the new catalogue goes live when this video goes live, which will be the 4th of September. So if you want a copy of this new catalogue, as I said, just send me a message and I will get one out to you ASAP. Thank you again. Until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.